Hello viewers, welcome back to Smriti channel. In this video, we will see how to prepare a headband using wool cloth. For this, we have taken the wool legging and we cut this into 3 pieces and we are tying this at one end of it, as we can see over here. Then we are adjusting this, then we are trying to plait it as the similar way as we plait our hair. So as how we are tying our hair, the same way we are making this one. If not, if you are new to this, if you are not done it before, you can see how we are doing it. It's very simple process and there is no mess in this, and we can do it very easily, and the outcome of this also is very nice and it looking very beautiful, and it's not taking much time also. And the length of this we have taken according to the length of the head for whom we are preparing, and the width of each piece we have taken 1.5 inch. If you want more, we can take more, so that the width of this band will be more if we take the more width of each piece. After tying it till end, then we secure it at one end with a tic tac clip. Then on another edge we are just securing it by taking a needle and a thread, and we are stitching it with the hand itself. No need of any stitching machine or something. Here we can do it with our hand, and we, after doing it on one side, then we tied and we joined both the edges, so that our band is ready now. And wherever we joined both ends, it will not look good. So in order to cover it, we have taken one rectangular shaped cloth, and in the opposite direction on the open edges on the two sides of it, we are just stitching it using a needle like this. If you have a stitching machine, you can do in that, it will be easy, and you can make it very soon. After completing this on the two sides, you need to keep the third side open so that we can flip the cloth over, so that this design will be good, and the open side we can keep it inside, and the band edges that we have joined, right, that we can cover using this cloth, and it is very easy. And this band looks very good, and this looks like a ready-made band itself. See, just we covered it and we just wrapped the edges with using this cloth, and we just stitched it using this thread. If you want, you can do this also using some designs, and we have just stitched it over here just like that. We need to make sure this, whatever the wrapping cloth that we are using, it should not come out, so we are securing it properly by attaching the band with this cloth, so that it will stay on the place. And overall the band looks like this, and it's very beautiful. We weared it to both of my kids. See how it looks. It's very really amazing. Hope you all like this video. Please subscribe to our channel and try this band at your home. Thank you.